In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use image prompts in Leonardo AI step by step so you can turn a reference image into a much better generated result with the right model, quality, style, and settings. This is a super useful workflow if you want more control over your AI images, whether you're creating thumbnails, concept art, product visuals, characters, or just experimenting with different looks. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Leonardo AI and go to your workspace. Once you're inside the platform, look for the image menu button in the middle of the screen and click it. This is where you'll begin your image generation setup. From here, you'll want to choose the model that fits your goal. Leonardo AI offers different models, and the one you select can have a big impact on the final style, detail level, and overall look of your image. After choosing your model, move through the settings one by one. Set your quality level based on how detailed you want the output to be, then adjust the style to match the kind of image you want to create. For example, you might want something realistic, artistic, cinematic, or more stylized depending on your project. Next, set the image dimensions. This is important because the size and aspect ratio will affect how the final image is framed. If you're creating something for YouTube, social media, or a specific design layout, the dimensions matter a lot. You'll also want to choose the number of generations. This tells Leonardo AI how many versions of the image it should create, which is helpful if you want a few options to compare. More generations can give you more choices, while fewer generations can save time. Once those settings are ready, find the text prompt bar. This is where the main instructions for your image go. Now here's the part that makes image prompts especially powerful. If you already have a reference image, you can upload it using the upload button. Click the button, then select and upload a photo from your local storage. This reference image can guide the AI so the output follows the composition, style, subject, or visual idea you already have in mind. Using a reference image is a great way to get more accurate results and keep your generation consistent with your vision. After your image is uploaded, go to the prompt bar and type your text prompt. Be clear and specific about what you want to see. Mention the subject, the style, the mood, the lighting, and any important visual details. If you want the AI to follow the reference closely, make sure your prompt supports that direction instead of conflicting with it. The better your prompt, the better your results. Once everything looks good, click Generate. Leonardo AI will process your image prompt and create the output based on your settings, your text, and your uploaded reference image. From there, you can review the results and decide whether you want to tweak the prompt, change the model, adjust the style, or upload a different reference image for another round. And that's the basic workflow for using image prompts in Leonardo AI. Open your workspace, choose the image tool, select your model and settings, upload a reference image if needed, type your prompt, and generate. It's a simple process, but when you combine the right settings with a strong prompt, you can create some really impressive results. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.